Today, we're diving into the world of Star Anise, a unique spice with surprising benefits for your well-being. Properties of Star Anise has a unique blend of essential oils, featuring anethol and estragol as its star performers. These are the secret behind its unmistakable aroma. But its magic goes beyond its fragrance. Star Anise is a health powerhouse that has carminative, digestive, antispasmodic, antibacterial, and analgesic properties. So, let's delve deeper and discover how it benefits our well-being. It improves digestion. Struggling with gas and uncomfortable bloating? Star Anise comes to the rescue. Its anti-inflammatory and muscle-relaxing properties soothe the stomach, easing the discomfort caused by gas buildup. Helps in respiratory diseases. Whether it's dry cough, bronchitis, or even the flu, Star Anise offers a helping hand. It acts as a natural bronchodilator, opening up airways and easing coughs. Its antibacterial power makes it a valuable ally during respiratory infections or chronic conditions. Slows aging. Star Anise is packed with polyphenols, antioxidants that help fight free radicals and slow down cellular aging. How to use Star Anise? Star Anise adapts to different tastes. You can find it as a dried herb for infusions, a convenient powder, or even encapsulated for easy consumption. Tinctures and extracts are also available for those who prefer a more concentrated dose. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. Which spice shares a similar taste to Star Anise? Cinnamon, cloves, ginger, cardamom. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. How to use Star Anise for wrinkles. Packed with vitamin B complex and polyphenols, this spice acts like a time machine, slowing down the aging process and keeping future wrinkles at bay. Vitamin C and A also step in, giving your internal collagen a boost, the very protein responsible for keeping your skin firm and youthful. To unleash its magic, steep 4 Star Anise pods in a cup of water for 5 minutes. Then strain and let it cool. This potent potion doubles as a daily toner, best applied cold to your face. Remember, patience is key, and to maximize its effect, give yourself a gentle massage after applying the toner. Contraindications. While Star Anise adds a delightful flavor to dishes and teas, it's important to be aware of its safety considerations before using it. Here are some key points to remember. There are 2 types of Star Anise, Chinese and Japanese. Only Chinese Star Anise is safe for consumption, so always check the label or packaging to ensure you're buying Chinese Star Anise. Star Anise is also highly toxic for young children and should never be given to them. It is also best to avoid Star Anise during pregnancy and breastfeeding. For adults, moderate use is key. Limit yourself to no more than 1 Star Anise per cup of water to avoid the release of harmful compounds. If you are unsure about using Star Anise, many other spices offer similar flavor profiles. Fennel seeds, for example, are a great substitute. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy the unique taste of Star Anise safely and responsibly. Remember, when in doubt, always consult your doctor or healthcare professional for personalized advice. So, going back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B, cloves. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to write your questions or suggestions in the comments below. And until next time.